just got my shoes from Javari.co.uk. I am so excited. They're so cute. And so Javari is the real thing. So I got some boots by Pineapple. That's these ones. They're so cute. And they look better than what I thought, actually. And the pineapple was really cheap. It was like 24 pounds or something. And it is good quality too. And it has this thing so I can like move this up if I wanted to. And then it would be like that, like a normal Ugg boot kind of. Okay, but I'm gonna put that there, and it has these kind of socks over the boots. They're so cute. And then I got these are Jacobson boots. Wellingtons. Jacobson by Jacobson. And they're called the Pansies. The Jacobson Pansy Wellingtons or something like that. And but these aren't pansies, these are sakura blossoms. Japanese cherry blossoms all over. And I got this because I miss Japan. I love Japan. And it's really pretty. It's a really pretty design. And also because I'm in Italy, in the northeastern part of Italy, Udine, where it rains a lot. It's cold in the winter, and it rains, and it's wet. It doesn't snow so much, but it's wet and humid and really bad. And I take my bike every day to work. And I gotta walk and stuff. I don't drive. So these are really practical and really cute. And I love them so much. And guess what? I discovered that 39 is exactly a size 6 in the UK. I'm a 24.5 to a 25 centimeter, have a centimeter long foot. And so in Japan, I'm size 24.5 or 25. 25 is actually better for me than the 24.5, but 25 centimeter shoes are really hard to find in Japan sometimes, so I go with 24.5. In Canada, I'm an 8.5 or a 9. So I usually go for size 9 in Canada, 39 in Europe, size 6 in the UK, and size 25 in Japan. And it's a perfect fit for me, and with room for socks, even 2 pairs of socks. So for me, size 6 in the UK is perfect. I probably could have gone with 5.5 too. But yeah, so I love them. Thank you, Jacobson. Javari. I can't speak. www.javari.co.uk. Thank you. Okay, so here I am wearing the pineapple boots. That's the box it came in. And here I am. Hello. And I'm wearing the boots by Pineapple. Ta-da! They're really comfortable, and they seem like they're really warm. I have to test them to see if they're not like, I don't think they'll completely be waterproof, but I think they're pretty waterproof. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, and I'm in my house, right? So I'm actually barefoot, and I'll try on for you the Jacobson Pansy Wellingtons. Ta-da! And I like that it's high because that'll ensure that water doesn't get in. So let's move these aside, the lovely ones, and look. So these are pretty comfortable too. In the winter, I need to wear socks with them. But they're really pretty and really. The delivery was really fast. I live in Italy. It took 5 days. But it was like Monday was a holiday here, so Sunday and Monday and Saturday too. I think the post doesn't work here in Italy, at least in the part that I'm in. So even with that, it took 5 days, and they're really cheap. Like pineapple, it's pretty cheap and good quality. So thanks for watching. Bye.